As we have already established, to enable GenAI to generate greatest return on investment requires solid data foundations. So what are some of the core data components that form part of a solid data foundation and ultimately enable us to scale GenAI beyond the proof of concept? Typically, this comprises of modern data architecture, data engineering, data science, and data modeling, to name a few components. But for the purposes of this short point of view, I would like to specifically focus on data quality, master data management, and data governance, which are typically an afterthought in the grand scheme of large digital transformation and implementation programs. So starting with data quality, we need good quality data, which is typically derived from multiple sources, both within and outside of the organization, across numerous departments and business domains. As an example, whilst commercial teams may focus on cleansing customer records, supply chain will typically focus on standardizing their definition of product in the form of finished goods and bill of materials. It is also very common to see data quality initiatives being run in parallel to master data management programs, where more often than not, both are conducted on an ad hoc basis and in a siloed manner outside of a single governance framework. This creates a big problem, so much so that, according to Gartner, 50% of MDM programs fail to meet business expectations due to the complexity of managing master data and lack of proper governance. To mitigate this, we encourage and facilitate the shift from traditional siloed thinking towards a consolidated approach, which creates a common set of data standards and policies that define master records and metrics used to improve overall data quality across the organization, including master data. To support this, Gartner research shows that 90% of large organizations that implement MDM also invest in data governance, and these organizations achieve 3 times the return on their data investment, compared with those without data governance. Now, combining this with GenAI deployment, it is estimated that we can accelerate the time to value by up to 40%. So in summary, if you want to move beyond experimentation and scale GenAI across the business, do not neglect master data standards and data quality policies and metrics, as this creates the necessary solid data foundations to scale GenAI across your organization. Building on this, my team will deep dive into some of the data components and the tools used to build them.